New step-by-step fix 2025-1. Force DirectX 11 launch. Bypass DX12 Vulkan. Open Steam, Library, Killing Floor 3. Click Properties, General, Launch Options. Paste this line. You can see the code in our conversation history. Or you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Disable NVIDIA Reflex or AMD Anti-Lag Plus. If you're using NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency, disable it in-game or via control panel. AMD Anti-Lag Plus turn off in Radeon software. This can reduce GPU crashes tied to timing memory calls in UE4. Use Clean Boot to avoid conflicts. 1. Press Windows R, type msconfig, press Enter. 2. Under Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. 3. Go to Startup, Open Task Manager, disable non-essential items. 4. Restart PC, then try launching the game. Open quote, this isolates third-party background apps like RGB Tools, MSI Afterburner, Razer Synapse that often conflict with UE-based games. Close quote. Cyber 4, manually lower config settings before launch. If you crash before the main menu, 1. Navigate to. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Edit game user settings.ini set. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Save the file and mark it read-only. Right-click Properties, check read-only. 5. Run the game with dedicated GPU. Ensure it's not launching with integrated graphics. NVIDIA. Right-click Desktop, NVIDIA Control Panel. Manage 3D settings, Program Settings, Killing Floor 3. Set to high-performance NVIDIA processor. AMD. Use Radeon software to assign high-performance profile. 6. Turn off overlays and background tools. Disable all overlays like Discord overlay, Steam overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, Xbox Game Bar. They frequently cause Unreal Engine 4 crashes. 7. Optional downgrade or reinstall Visual C++. Some builds crash due to newer redistributables. Go to Add Remove Programs, Visual C++ Redistributables, Keep 2013 x 64 and x86, 2015 to 2022, latest combined version. Remove duplicates or beta entries, then reinstall from h/learn.microsoft.com/na/cpp/windows supported-vc-redist. Please open your app to see this link. Bonus tip, enable tidar delay to prevent GPU timeout. This helps if the GPU driver is crashing under load. 1. Press Windows R, type reject it, press Enter. 2. Navigate to. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Right-click, New, DWORD, 32-bit value, name it. TDR delay. 4. Set value to 10. 5. Restart your PC. Open quote, this increases the time Windows waits before killing a stuck GPU thread, common with UE4. Close quote. Final option, wait for patch Killing Floor 3 is new and still being optimized. If the issue persists even after these steps, it's likely a driver or engine level bug. Report your crash logs to https:/support.tripwireinteractive.com. Please open your